Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix CarPlay not working with iPhone in iOS 27. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version, that is iOS 27, and now CarPlay is not working with your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, basically CarPlay issues in iOS 27 can be fixed by forgetting the connection on both devices and re-establishing the connection again. So as you have to simply start by removing your car from your iPhone's CarPlay settings and removing your iPhone from the car's Bluetooth menu, and restart both devices and re-establish the connection again, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply go back and go to general again and then go to software update and check if there is any other update available for you like iOS 27 beta 2. So if the new update is available, then you have to simply download and install the latest version of iOS 27, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply reset all settings of your CarPlay settings, and you have to simply reset all settings of your iPhone as well. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.